Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to make this Model Power E8 run a lot smoother. The problem with these E8s is that they make a lot of rattling noise, and at first I thought it was the trucks. You see, I thought it was the trucks, but when I was working on this, I noticed the flywheel moves around a lot like this, and I think that the rattling of the flywheel doing this is the reason why it makes a lot of noise. So we'll put it on the track and I will show you the noise before and then after. So we'll get on the track right now. Okay, so here's the track test. As you can see, it makes a lot of noise. We'll go forward. So I'm gonna try and get rid of that noise by putting a washer in between the bearings and the flywheel. Okay, so we'll start taking it apart. Now I think the only reason how to get this flywheel out is just with these 4 screws, which shouldn't be that hard, and then I will pull one of these plastic couplings off to get that washer on. And that should be it. And if it isn't, I don't know what makes that noise. So you should be able to just like pop one of these off. Yeah, okay. And then put this one here. Oh, it's a thrust washer. Keep that on. And then the bearing. So yeah, that should hopefully cease the noise, or it should help dampen it. And line them up. Let's try and focus the camera. Where? There they are. There. Darn it, I forgot this. I always forget this. And like whenever I'm working on an engine, this is the one thing that I keep forgetting to put back on. Okay. Like I said, I think it might still rattle on a little bit, but I'm trying to hopefully dampen or just get rid of the noise. Come on, man. There. So then put these back on. One. These are very strange screws. The threads are huge, because usually you're used to these kinds of screws. Come on, focus. These kind of screws instead of these kind of screws. But, And I think this is a lead chassis or a die cast, because these look like they're lead parts. Let me see. Yeah, I think they're lead parts. I'm not gonna push in the chassis because I don't wanna put a hole in the chassis, you know? Maybe break it. So yeah, that should be it. Okay, so here's the test with that white kadee washer. Well, it seems to be a little bit better. You know, I'll try and put on the red washer, and it shorted out just because of the light. Yeah, I'll try and put on the red washer and see if that makes any difference. So let's put that red washer on. Okay, so here's the test with the red kadee washer. Look at that, it's a lot better. Now go forward. Booyah, there we go. So that's how to make your Model Power E8 quieter. Bye-bye.